Alfisti. You see the problem here on my TBI. There's a crack in the fuel pump, and today we are going to repair it. We have this set here. It's called Schweißnaht. It's from Germany, and there are two things we put on here. We also have some cuts here, but I think this is the main cut. So the first step is we will clean the cut. We will take a little bit of the sandpaper. We got a smell of fuel inside, or better, outside the cabin, and inside also a little bit. And this is a common problem for the TBIs, and we will hope that we will get rid of this problem. I heard some people say it won't last that long and I should better get a new pump, but I mean, $500 for a pump, it ain't easy. The next step, we will take this here acetone. It's just for cleaning. You could also take some how you call it, Verdünnung in German. Don't know what that word in America and English. So you have to clean it good. So as you see here, I put on some gloves, and you see this is the kind of granulat. It's like small stones, and this is the glue. So we have to put on the granulate first and then directly put on the glue. As we put it on, and then we will put on some glue. Okay, so now we got a little problem because it's hard to get some granulate on this surface here. So I thought of something else. I cut this plastic piece, and this piece, now I'm going to hold this on here, put the granulate in from the top, and then I will put on the glue and directly push this. I'm just gonna put in this granulate. Should try to put on the glue. From all sides. Around our little plastic thing. I mean, this is better than two less. So we put in another one in front of there. As you see, I'm just doing it with my hands, okay, but I'm very careful. And then granulate. And then glue. Yeah, I will just, I think I will leave it like this. And I think this should be okay. Okay, so Alfisti, we are just going to, you see my tits here, huh? So we are going to go for a ride as we're going to try this, because this is dry in about 5 minutes. So hello Alfisti, I already drove some kilometers and drove the car on temperature, so let's check out if there's still any smell. Normally when you go outside the car, around the car, you have the smell of gas, the smell of fuel in your nose, and looks like the fuel smell, the gas smell is gone. I'm checking. And normally you also have the smell inside the cabin. You see, I just installed the seats for that, as you saw in my video. And yeah, I think the smell is gone. We did a good job. We did a cheap job, cheaper than 500 bucks for a new pump. So the problem is solved. Alfisti, stay Alfisti, and yeah, we'll see you next time.